How to add a new slide in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So here I am using Google Slides, but the process will be just the same for Microsoft PowerPoint presentation as well. Simply open your presentation, and then if you want to add a new slide in your presentation, what you will have to do is go to slide, and then here you will see an option of new slide, and your new slide will be added. If you are using any theme, the slide will be added as per the theme, but if you are not using any theme, a blank slide will be added with blank color or white color. You can also use the shortcut tool, that is Ctrl plus M, in order to add another slide. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.